What's going on, everybody? Y'all know this bike, right? The Tuttio ICT. This thing is a freaking blast to ride. It's got amazing power at a very cheap price, and it looks cool, man. It feels like you're riding a little motorcycle. This is the powertrain that you want. If you're looking for a fun, fast, strong, powerful bike, this is what you want. This is the setup you want. You want 60-volt battery, got it. 45 amp controller, got it. And then a rear hub motor, it peaks, I mean, it's a 2,000 watt continuous, and they say it can peak to 4,000 watts. It's not a 4,000 watt bike, but it's every bit of 3,000 watts for sure. It's got great power, wheel lifting power off the line, great speed, and it's a bargain price. It's pretty crazy the performance you can get. I think it's like 1,600 bucks, somewhere around there, and you're getting 3,000 watts and 40 plus miles an hour. And actually, I'm riding the old version. Mine's old. They updated the motor. I think they say it goes like 50 miles an hour now. I got to get my hands on the new motor. I mean, this one's fun as it is. Let's whip through this field here and go out to the street then. But this thing's such a fun ride. One of those bikes, man, where they just got the recipe right, and it just turns out to be so much fun. All right, let's go up here and we'll stretch its legs a little bit. All right, no cars. Let's remind ourselves how fast it is. I can't even remember, 40 something. All right, so we're at 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. I mean, we're going slightly downhill, so I'm cheating a little. 41, 42. Not bad, 42.9. All right, we made it back to the shop. The Tuttio is always just so much fun to ride, but we're here for this today. In this box is the new accessories package for the ICT. This specifically fits this bike. So here's what you get. This is like a rear cowl. It's gonna go right over the back part of the seat like that. And it's like a carbon fiber look to it. Just a wrap on there, but it looks all right. Looks like it bolts right under the seat. We got this weird little piece here that kind of velcros to itself, and I believe that goes like right here. So we'll put that on like maybe last. You've got this, I'll call it a top tube bag, I guess. Obviously meant to put your phone in there if you want. And then it's got two side pouches as well. And this is gonna kind of drape across here, I believe, something like that. And this is the big part of the kit. So you got this piece which fits right inside this little triangle like that. Custom fit bag. I like it. I mean, perfect way to add storage to this bike. This is brilliant. I love this. It's like a hard side case. Let me open it the whole way so you can see inside it and see how much space you get in there. Zipper stuck on here. There you go. All right. So on the inside, it looks like you got kind of like two levels, but these Velcro in. So you could remove like these pieces. Yeah, they can come out. So you can have separators in there if you want, or you can make it just one big giant container because this Velcro's in right here. You can take this two-level piece out. So I guess if you're gonna carry small items like your hat and your sunglasses and toolkits and whatever, maybe you have these two. Or what I'm thinking is, if you got another battery pack, another 60-volt battery, you could put it inside here and hide it. You'd never even know it was in there, and then you'd like double your battery capacity. But that's pretty cool. Fits perfectly right in there. Let's get this thing installed on, see what it looks like as a finished product. But pretty cool. I think it's like 269 bucks online. So if you really want some storage, it might be worth it. Being that it's custom fit and made for this, it looks like it's about perfect fit in there. Let's put them on. All right, so I'm gonna start with this piece. I think this is just kind of like a beauty cover here for the top tube. So I'm going to kind of maybe just wedge it under the seat like that. And then it Velcros to itself. There's a strip of Velcro on each side. So I think you just kind of wrap it around there like that is my thought. And then this piece, I believe goes like that. You want the straight part to be up here. Otherwise the forks are going to hit into the piece that sticks out. And then this just one Velcro. All right, let's get this thing looped around here. Pull it tight, and then I think this sits right like that. There you go. Two pieces installed so far. All right, we're gonna do this big storage bag next, and I can already see I think I messed up on the install because I gotta loop this around this top bar, so I need to take this piece off so I can secure this one first. Let's do that. We'll take that back off. So put this piece on first. There you go. Kind of a tight fit in there, but that's what you want, really, I think. We'll just loop this around. Tighten that down. Everything's just Velcro straps, so it's really easy. There's 2 straps here that go around each one of these frame tubes. Okay, we'll leave that one loose while I get the other one. All right, we got the back one. Tighten that one. This is pretty simple, pretty easy to do. All right, that one's secured, that one's secured. Good to go. I mean, it's in there pretty good. I can already tell it's not the easiest zipper to get undone, but that's fine. I don't think I'll be opening and closing this a whole ton. Because it is like form fit to this frame. There you go. That's the storage capacity you got. It's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. Like I said, this piece comes out, so you could have this wide open. It's all storage. It's a decent amount of room in there. I mean, give you a size comparison. There's a 1 hat, 2 hat, 2.5 hat lengths. Good amount of space. Let's zip it back up. All right, you got to fight it around this bar where the bag curves. Once you get it past that, a little bit easier to zip, but now we got to get the next piece on up here, which that's going to cover the other zipper. So it's not going to be the easiest to open and close. You're not going to get in there super fast because these are going to be hanging over the zippers, right? You have to lift that up to get to the zipper. But it's still cool. I mean, you could leave whatever part you want off. Maybe you don't want this part on there. You could leave this part off. And you could take the phone piece off. If you didn't want that, that Velcros right off. The whole thing's like detachable. But I'm just going to take the fake phone cardboard piece out of here. But we'll leave this on there. Let's Velcro this on. All right, there you go. All right, we got one final piece. We got our rear seat cowl here. There's 2 bolts here, which I think it sits right like this. So there's no installation instructions online. I'm thinking that these just go through the Tuttio logo right there to hold it on. And then it just sits like that. We're going to try that. All right, so I'm just going to set this thing down on here and see if the holes line up where I can just kind of bolt through the logo. All right, I got one through on that side. Let's try the other side. All right, I think that's it, right? All right, let's tighten them up. Okay, I think it's on there. I don't know if that'll stay or not. I mean, I would worry if you're a person that does a lot of wheelies that you kind of clip this and break it, but it's on there. And I just kind of bolted straight through the Tuttio logo. Let me see if I can show you. All right, here's the underside. So these are the seat bolts right here. And then these are for the rear cowl, that one and that one there. I just bolted through the Tuttio cutout right there. And the washers kind of hold it in place. You don't need much to hold it on there, so I guess that's adequate. Okay, here's the finished install. What do you think? Drop it in the comments. Do you like it? Do you not like it? If I'm giving my honest feedback, I like parts of it. I think this is awesome. That is fantastic. I love that triangle bag that fits in the frame. That's genius. I really like that. I moved the zippers to right here. There's 2 zippers, so you can now just go down a little bit here with that zipper and then over with this zipper, and now you can kind of get in there. It's a little bit easier. Otherwise, to open it fully, this other zipper goes all the way up to here, and the other one goes all the way down to here. So it's not the easiest to access, but man, I think it's so cool. A hard bag like that with that extra storage in there, brilliant. I kind of like this piece. I like pieces of this. I like this piece, kind of adds to it as well. Just that little folding wrap thing, I think is good. These I don't mind those either. I think those are going to be useful. This I probably won't use, but you can just take it right off. If you're not going to use the phone holder, it just Velcros on. So you could just leave it off like that with the clear plastic on it. I think it looks better without it, honestly. But you can use that if you want or not. This piece, I'm not sold on. I mean, I get it. It's just kind of like an aesthetic thing, but it just looks out of place to me because it's carbon fiber wrap, but there's nothing else on this bike that's carbon fiber. I think this would be better if it was just black. Like the rest of the bike is black with like a, I don't know what color you call that, like a tan graphic on it. This is all black up front. Forks are black. This is not, I mean, it's not carbon fiber. It's kind of got a design of that to it, but this is like a shiny metallic looking carbon fiber. So I don't know if I'll leave this piece on or not, but you can, I mean, obviously use whatever pieces of this kit you want and whatever you don't, just leave off. I bet you if you have this ICT bike, you're probably going to want this stuff. I think I would rather have this than the rear rack because, like I said, if you put the rear rack on here, you're going to stick out to like here and it might be higher and then you put a bag on it. So now you got to kick your leg way up high to get over that rear rack with a bag on it where you could just have this instead. And this, I think, is a perfect spot to hide another battery if you want to do a battery blender and increase your range and battery capacity. Let me know if you want to see me do that. Well, there you go, guys. The latest accessories package for the Tuttio ICT. I'll give you a little better look at these side bags here. They're probably only about maybe 1.5 inches wide. Give you a size comparison here. Here's a phone. You know, a little bit larger than a cell phone is how big that side bag is there. But what do you think? Let me know, let Tuttio know in the comments. Is this a winner? I think it's pretty cool. It takes an already interesting looking bike and it just makes it even more interesting to look at. This thing looks futuristic. And I think Tuttio just gave other companies something to think about because people love to accessorize their bikes. And what better way to accessorize than with custom fit storage? There you go, guys. Hope you enjoyed. See you in the next one. All right, we'll give you a full walk around outside. That's what it looks from driver's position. Rear seat cowl. Pretty cool. Overall look at this bike, man. Just cool.